opens a helicopter door. Then all these dollar bills pour out. When he tells me times are good again, yeah, I can't wait to be racking up my credit card again. Ben, Bill, why bother me today? Still, you know I promised I would pay you. Will you lend me more? Yeah, I'll trade for free. I just want those dollar bills to pour down on me. Pour down. Argentina, Weimar, and Zimbabwe, I've heard those words. And I know history repeats itself, yeah, I know what she's learned. But it won't happen this time, 'cause Ben says everything's fine. Hey, fine.
And who got the money?
Hundreds and hundreds of banks. Any bank that has access to the U.S. Federal Reserve's discount.
Tell us who they are.
No.
Do you think gold is money?
No.
Argentina, Weimar, and Zimbabwe, I've heard those words. And I know history repeats itself, yeah, I know what she's learned. But it won't happen this time, 'cause Ben says everything's fine. Hey, fine. Ben, he opens a helicopter door. Then all these dollar bills pour out. When he tells me times are good again, yeah, I can't wait to be racking up my credit card again. Ben, helicopter Ben. Yeah, helicopter Ben.